Hey everybody, Tommy here with Gavins Point Rec, bringing you the Montana 3532 SP. This is going to have solar up top there, auto level system, massive pass-through, and the elephant in the room, that beautiful side patio. Let's go check out the rest of this unit. Stepping inside the Montana 3532 SP, we do have this peninsula style kitchen counter. We are going to have the industry exclusive Lazy Boy furniture in Montana. This one, the L-shaped sectional, televator on the back wall. We've got the bar counter seating and the opposing slide out there. Coming back forward, the beauty of this unit, we've got the sliding glass door leading out to that side patio. In the kitchen, we do have this very convenient pull-down storage. Gives you lots of access to that overhead bin there above the dual pantry. Up front, we do have your full residential bathroom. And then beyond that, the king suite bedroom. We've got a TV already installed, built-in wardrobe, front cap closet, and as always, that king bed on a slide. As always, folks, we can't wait to see you down here at Gavins Point Rec under the big American flag on your way to the lake.